Alright, so check it out. We just had burgers tonight. We had some bomb-ass bacon-infused burgers with the bacon caramelized glaze on top of that. It was pretty amazing with the whiskey and everything. So it inspired me. I wanted to do a milkshake that was basically an old-fashioned milkshake. So this is what we're doing. Alright, so check it out. It's going to be pretty simple, actually. We're going to do it similar to how I would make an old-fashioned. But we're going to leave out a few ingredients and add a few extra ingredients. So in this case, we're going to start with a good scoop of brown sugar in there. So it's just almost a full teaspoon of brown sugar in there. We're going to go 3 dashes of orange Angostura bitters. Actually 4 dashes of that in there. And then we're going to do 2 dashes of regular Angostura bitters. And then if you can get a cherry bitter, because we want to kind of play with the cherry garnish that you put on top of there. So if you can get a cherry bitter, I'm almost out. So my Woodford Reserve cherry bitters, we're going to do about 4 in there. Because these do small dashes. Okay, just about out of that stuff. All right, and then again, to kind of open it up with that orange essence that you would normally get when you put the rind in there, we're going to do some orange blossom water. About 2 droplets, 3 droplets in there. That's it. Okay. And then I'm using Knob Creek on this one. The first few that I had already tonight, I did Woodford Reserve. You want something that's got a good strong flavor to it, but that's not, it's not going to be overwhelming. Don't do like a super, like 100 proof or something like that. I mean, but nothing too mild either. You definitely want it to stand out, right? So we're doing a full 3 ounces. There we go. Super. So there's that. And then right on top of that, we're going to do 2 scoops of ice cream. And you do want to throw some ice in there. So throw some ice on top. Alright, so we got about that much ice in there. We're ready for blending. And then just to kind of keep it nostalgic and fun with the old fashioned, we're gonna keep it in an old fashioned glass, right? You can certainly do it in a taller cup if you want to. With the pineapple one, we added whipped cream on top of it. You could throw whipped cream on it. You can do whatever you want to do. All right, but I'm just gonna keep this simple. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to do a nice long thin strip, if we can, of the orange in there. Try to cut that little edge off so we can get it thin. Then we can do a little corkscrew spin on there. Still want to get that orange right around the edges if we can. Set that on there. Grab yourself a little umbrella if you have one. Luxardo on this guy, just because it's got that good syrup to it. So the Luxardo cherries on there. Slide that guy right up on top of there. Put that cherry in. Right on. And a little straw. And that sucker's done and ready to go. Now tonight, because I was having those burgers, I'm going to throw just a little bit of candied bacon right on top of there. I think it's going to be yummy. There we go. Old-fashioned milkshake. Enjoy.